Hi everyone, I want to talk about an excellent recipe that my grandmother prepared on rainy days. In fact, I remember a lot this recipe because we all the grandsons enjoy a lot with a baked pineapple with ice cream. That was nice in rainy and cold days, and it looked like something in the image. If you want to prepare something like this, you need to follow the next steps. First of all, you need to obtain the ingredients that are 1 liter of vanilla ice cream, 6 little pineapples, cinnamon to taste, sugar to taste, and butter. As I said, this is from a secret recipe of my grandma, and it's between 6 and 5 people who can enjoy it. The preparation time is almost 25 minutes, and the cooking time is 20 minutes. First of all, you need to choose 4 small pineapples. The pineapples are peeled completely and are quitted the core of each one. Next, you need to wipe out a buttery and cinnamon spice sugar filling and stuff it inside each pineapple. So every pineapple are filled with this mixed. Then a baking dish is filled with a little water to the bottom. This is for avoid the pineapples get completely dry and they are used. Next, you cover the pineapples in foil. Then the pineapples are covered in foil, and then remove the foil about halfway through the cook time to allow the filling to get golden brown. The pineapples are baked for 15 minutes to 200 degrees. And then the pineapples are served acid or top them with vanilla ice cream. If you consider an entire pineapple is a lot for each person, you can cut them. The pineapples are cut in small pieces, and you can add in each one a little ice cream. Or if you don't like the ice cream, you can top them with caramel sauce, cream, or yogurt if you want it. Finally, the pineapples are eaten by you and enjoy this fantastic food with maybe another sweet beverage like coffee or milk. Something that you can use for helping this recipe is use a melon baller to remove the core of your pineapple and make a big hole in the pineapple so you can fit 5 or 6 spoons of filling if you like. And if you prefer your pineapples firm, undercook them. But if you wanted pineapples softer, you have to cook them a little longer. Make sure you enjoy your pineapples while they are warm, but leftovers can be refrigerated and reheated. So I hope you like this recipe and have a nice day. See you later.